Usekela Mongameli ebejongene nemibuzo eliqela ebalula ukulwa urhwaphilizo, ukubuyiselwa kwemihlaba kwaye nemingeni yakwa-Eskom, kwaye umekwe lithi uyayixhasa inkqubo yokuvalelwa kwabantu abachaphazelekayo kurhwaphilizo.
The SIU is currently investigating up to 5 billion rands worth of contracts alleged to have been improperly awarded to various companies, nationally, provincial departments, as well as municipalities in the procurement of PPEs.
Amaqela aphikisayo nawo afuna kukhutshwe nengcambu urhwaphilizo.
When the president himself said that he feels that it's like hyenas attacking prey, I think he's incredibly diplomatic. I think it's more a case of pigs eating from the trough of humanity. That is the level of corruption when people's lives are at stake and money is stolen.
Not long ago, Ranjeni Munsami, a former journalist, was exposed at the State Capture Commission as having received illicit monies from intelligence services. Despite this, she has now been appointed by the Minister of Finance.
How is it that no action has been taken thus far on a Minister Patricia de Lille, the Beitbridge corruption scandal that's taking place? Millions of rands have already been lost there, where she actually interfered, violated the PF50. Now, if we allow these things, how are we supposed to be convinced, Deputy President, that indeed we are moving to a clean slate and wanting to do the right thing?
All we can say is that irregardless of your standing in society, the law it's above all of us. No one is above the law.
Tulelani Philip, SABC News eParlamente.